Hello beautiful people, it's Sherry Moulton back with another video. I am doing a bling bling today. I'm just going to show you a couple little things here first. I went to Michael's a little while ago. They had all of that beautiful glitter was 40% off. So needless to say, I went shopping. Some of these I've had. But I went shopping, and also the bags of glitter. Now here in Canada, these are normally $9.99. I got them for $4. So I bought a couple. I'm bad. So anyways, I just thought I'd show and tell that. So today I am going to do, I had another one, onyx. I'll put that in there. I am doing a bling bling with some pearls in it. So I had purchased a new paint. It is Rust-oleum Bright Coat metallic finish, and this one, I think it's copper. It doesn't tell me the name on it. I bought two. One was copper and one was rose gold. To me that looks rose gold, but the other one, anyways, it's pretty. And then I bought, I will find out though and put it in the description box. I bought this one, but I didn't realize it says that it is a hammered paint. It's the same as my turquoise one. This one is black, but it's hammered. I didn't really pay attention, but it kind of came out kind of neat. It's a little bit of a different texture to it. So this is my canvas. I will not paint them. I will have them pre-painted, but if you want to watch my video, I did a video on how to paint them. Pretty sure it was number 77, but I will double check with that one. And yeah, so I'll go through everything I'm going to use. So I have my Rust-oleum. I'm going to bring it down and then I'll go through. All right. Here we go, my friends. Perfecto. So yes, so I did the canvas spray painted. Did that yesterday. Did a couple. So again, like I said, I've got this Rust-oleum metallic finish. That is hilarious how it doesn't even have it on the can, but I will find out which one it is. We have the hammered paint. This one is black. I will be using the Ashland glass filler, which is the broken glass. I love this gold one because it is so chunky. As you all know, I like the chunkiness of it. With this one, I'm going to, being there's black, I'm going to try this Recollections. It is onyx. I have my Recollections. This one is black fine glitter. And just because this is one of my favorites, we're going to use Fire Opal. Martha Stewart Fire Opal. And I hate the way they put the things on there. Glitter Confetti it's called. And to add a little bit, because I've had a few people ask, I've brought out my bead supplies. We're going to put some of these beautiful brown coppery pearls into the mix. So we will see how that goes. I have pre-mixed also 2-part epoxy resin. I have it already mixed. It is the Envirotex Lite is what I'm using there today. Using up the last little bit of my stuff, and then I'm going to get into the big baby, my nice big jug I showed you yesterday. So with that being said, I will go down the center. You know the drill if you've watched me before. I actually, just make sure you don't go over the edge. I had to turn my little heater on down here because it's so cold. I shut my air vents my Dutch pour I did yesterday, it did not dry at all. I came down and it looked like I had just did it, which is kind of funny. I am going to grab a glove just so I can wipe off the edges. Hope everybody had a wonderful Canada Day, my fellow Canadians. It was so funny because most places aren't doing anything because of the COVID. And I kept hearing all these fireworks last night. And I'm like, what the heck? And I kind of live down by the water where I am. And I'm like sitting in my chair and I could see out the kitchen window the fireworks, and I'm not paying it too much attention. And it ended up, it was like I could have sat on my deck in my chair and watched the fireworks. I noticed, I actually got up and looked at the end when everything was said and done, but that's alright. Alright, just up and down. Now this one I'm going to put a little bit more in the center just because I want the pearls to adhere because they're a little bit big. And do nice even strokes. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm going to bring a little bit more down here. So, tomorrow's the day. I'm not nervous, but you're awake for the carpal tunnel surgery. I had my finger done last year about this time, and that was quite interesting because I work in a nursing home, so I don't mind watching stuff, but yeah, it was a little different. All right, on with the glass, my friends. Or do I actually, you know what? I'm going to put the pearls in first, just because I want them to stick. I know they're not gonna. So I have 3 different sizes of these lovely pearls. So I'm going to put a couple down the center, and I'm going to make sure the hole is sideways. Da, 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 da. We'll just do this. I'll place 4 of these evenly through the, maybe we'll do 6. And then these little guys. Oh, I have so many things upstairs. I need to go through my stuff and purge it, get rid of it. I'm flipping them just to make sure the hole is down or sideways, right? So you're not seeing the holes. Do a couple more of these bigger ones, and then I'll place a couple. And there. I just had, there we go. I'm going to place this down. And this is why I love using the resin, because I know this is going to stick. These aren't going anywhere. And I have some tiny babies. I'll place these periodically down. Whoop, back here. This might not look nice, but I just thought, someone asked, they wanted a black and white one, and when I saw that copper-ish colored paint, I went, oh my goodness. It was a must. And put these little guys there, and I think that's done with the pearls. Perfect. Now I just want to flip these little ones. I'm going to flip them over again, so the holes on the sides. Move him over a little bit there so he doesn't look so easy. Perfect. I'm excited. These look so pretty. Okay, here we come, chunky glass. Oh yes, I think that was the better way to do it. Do the pearls first, because you can place them any which way. There we go. Let's get some of these big chunky. I love this. I wish, I don't know why, but I wish the silver stuff was this chunky. Perfect, I think. Oh, maybe a little bit here. And a little bit here. Oh, there's never enough, right? Simple-minded. Anything sparkly, eh? All right. Now, I will... Oh, I'm going to go with this. And I'm just going to lightly... Don't want to go too heavy with this, because I think... I guess it's close enough. It's more orangey. I just didn't want it to clash with the upper. And then again, remember, go up high, because with the resin, if you've got a clump of glitter, it's there. You will not brush it off. It is there. So that's why I emphasize, please, please come up and try. This one doesn't have a shaker top, so I would rather go a little bit less and then there we go. And we'll try some of this onyx. This one here has a shaker top, so that's good. I'm going to flip it this way. And it doesn't want to come out very nice, so I'm going to have to put it in my hand. I always walk around with glitter and spray paint on my feet because I don't wear shoes. Alright, and I'm going to do the black. Now this is the one that I get scared, because if it comes out too much, it's like bunk. So nice slow, up high, and nice and even. Because like I said, once it's there, it's there. There. Hopefully it'll shake off a little bit more in there, because I put the other stuff first. Maybe I'll come back with this a little bit more in the middle. I can see I don't have the proper stuff today for some reason. I'm gonna find all my Martha stuff. Maybe I'll put this in here. It is brownstone, and it's a chunky glitter, just because I want to cover up here. There's some, I don't want the resin showing. As you can see. And that other stuff is just a bit too. There we go. I just hope I put a little bit of that black in the middle. Might Hopefully it's just because it's all on top. So that one I'll put in the description box. It's the box. It is the Martha Stewart chunky glitter, and it is the brownstone. So I will add that into the description box as well. I had these when I made my jewelry. I did resin pendants and stuff, so that was kind of cool. So with that being said, we're going to leave that be for right now, and I'll come back. Like I said, I like to do this 24 hours. I'll come back, we'll do a shake, and we'll let you see what it looks like. I'll see you in a bit. Hello, we're back. I am going to shake off my coppery rose gold. I have to figure out which color that is. I'm going to shake this off. I'm going to bring it down, and we'll get at the beautiful makings. Hopefully it turned out all right. All right, here we go, my friends. I'm looking at the pearls. They might be a bit too big, but it is what it is. That's why we experiment. I don't know what's up with the camera here today. I'm going to bring it in a little bit more so you can see a little better. Well, there you go. It is the pearls. I don't know if you can see. Very good. So that's that. I don't know. It looks kind of cute. It's different. I think this would be better if I had used smaller. Like these big ones might have been too big. But hey, it is pretty. It's still sparkly, and all that glitter is good. Anyways, well, with that being said, I want to say thank you for watching. If you hit that thumbs up for the video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And hit that little bell for notifications when I put up my next video. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And yeah, I'm power painting, just so I have a few videos for you people after I have my surgery tomorrow. So this is number 1. All right, we'll see ya. Bye. Love you.